Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here with today's Micros Market Recap at Target Trading Academy. Today is Tuesday, April 19th. It is just after the New York close here in our in our markets. Tongue-tied. We're going to skip over oil. It is in the middle of rollover. It has two active contracts. Not really anything for us to look at right now. We just got to see that we're settling in around the 102.10 mark in oil. Now, gold opened slightly gap down from its range. We had a huge gap up yesterday, if you recall, and then the market just drove down, and then the aftermarket afterwards kind of just went sideways, and then the pre-market here that you see had some action towards that area above and then went sideways, and then we opened right there still below that close where we saw yesterday and immediately had selling, and you can see they just kept with it. Very little retracement to those levels of support and resistance, but overall decent trades that set up for our students here with these HVA levels that are given out the night before. Yes, you heard that correct. That is the night before. Now, our equities, they opened in balance from the range, and not unlike gold, they kind of just went straight up, and it was more of a grindy move up. But once we got above the range, they just decided to keep, hey, why not? Let's just keep going. So we had resistance of it going higher at this HVA level. They kind of broke through, and you just could not get below the low of the day, and they decided, well, we're just going to take it up. You can see some response at those levels of the HVAs as both support and resistance. Monster winner here in the ES, and then towards the lunchtime, it kind of just settled down and went sideways for quite a while. And then we had an explosion shortly, maybe about an hour or so, maybe 45 minutes before the close of New York here, in the equities, and they just shot up. And then all of a sudden, right at the close, boom, they came back down. But we did close net up in the ES, net positive in the NASDAQ. You can see that very large response at the close there of the short happening. But much like the ES, we opened and we had support, and they didn't look back towards it, getting above the range. And you can see the response at these levels. Monster winner there. Small winner here. Again, this isn't a win-loss video. If you are interested in that sort of video, go check out Pat's videos based off these HVA levels. These are the micro levels. They're different than the minis. But you can see the response at those edges that are given to our students each night. And they have their own methodology around them. So it's not just, hey, look, this is what you got to take, etc., etc. There is no calling out. There are rules and conditions for our trades based off the methodology. If you are interested in finding out more information about the levels and how you can get them on your charts the night before your next trading endeavor, let us know. Reach out to us. Or if you want to learn how to trade futures, we're more than willing to teach you our methodology. Again, if you're interested in any of that, find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettradingacademy.com. Get in touch with the representative, and they'll show you the ropes of what we do each day in the room, and you'll quickly see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to seeing you there.